Welcome to Bike Lane, where we explore the most fascinating machines in the world. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary aircraft ever built, the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. A game-changer in aviation. The B-2 Spirit, introduced in the late 1980s, revolutionized modern warfare with its cutting-edge stealth technology. Designed to evade radar detection, it can penetrate the most advanced defense systems, making it nearly invisible in the sky. Unique design and technology. With its distinctive flying wing design, the B-2 Spirit minimizes its radar cross-section and infrared signature. Advanced composite materials, radar-absorbing coatings, and innovative aerodynamics all contribute to its unmatched stealth capabilities. Power and performance. Powered by 4 General Electric F-118 engines, the B-2 can reach high subsonic speeds while carrying up to 40,000 pounds of weapons, including both conventional and nuclear payloads. Its range of over 6,000 nautical miles allows it to strike targets across the globe without refueling. Strategic importance. The B-2 is more than just a bomber, it's a symbol of strategic power. With only 21 units ever built, it remains one of the most expensive and exclusive aircraft in history, valued at over $2 billion per unit. Conclusion. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber continues to dominate the skies as one of the most advanced aircraft ever engineered. A masterpiece of technology, strategy, and innovation, it ensures its place as a true icon of aviation history. That's all for today's review of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Lane for more motorcycle updates, reviews, and comparisons. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.